Alex's cooking show is the best in the world. You can watch it anytime, you know. Hello, I'm Alex, and we're making eggs today. We need milk, eggs in a bowl, and also a stove for cooking. Now we have to crack 5 eggs, but if you have more, you can get 1 more. And I got a napkin out, so when I'm done putting the eggs, I'll put them in there. I already got 1 in. Now we're done cracking, and I'm gonna wash my hands because they might be stained. Now I'm gonna stir the eggs until they're all mushed, and do it fast in the middle and slow out. And if you want, you can like squish them like up and down. It takes a long time. And we're done. Now we're gonna put some milk in, but it's too heavy and I can't even pick it up. So my dad's gonna help. He was recording it, and stop. Tiny bit. Well, we're gonna put some salt and pepper into here to make it flavory. If you don't taste it, it's okay. You might have not seen it, but it's still in there. You can't see the white, but you can see the black. Now we're done. Now I'm gonna spray the pan so they don't get stuck. Now my dad is gonna lay the stove. Don't touch it. It's really hot. Wait until the pan is hot before pouring in the eggs. Now I'm gonna pour the eggs on the pan very carefully. On the side. Some eggs are coming already, but yours might take a while. And when you're stirring it, make sure you're holding the handle. Now we're gonna get some plates and put it on there. Be sure to turn off the stove when the eggs are all eggs. If you hear that squeaky noise, it's okay because it's the stew scraping the pan. That's how you make eggs. Yummy. It's hot, though, still. What?